खुलुमबाय गिबियावनो गासिनिसिमबो गाहाम हामलायनायखौ जासिहरबाय दिनैनि प्राइम 24 हेडलाइन स्टुडियाव धेमाजि जिल्ला सानजारि नोगोरनिफ्राय रादाबखौ फरायदों आं सुक्रेश्वर बसुमतारिया 10 नभेम्बर खालि गसाइगाव B.Ed फरायसालिमायाव मौलाना आब्दुल कालाम आजादनि 132थि जोनोम सान फालिनायजों लोगोसे A one-day Symposium इभेन्ट मुंनि मोनसे बिबुंथि लाखिनाय बादायलायनाय हाबाफारि लानाय जादों। बे हाबाफारिया मोनसे हारिमुआरि दिन्थिफुंनायनि गेजेरजों मोजाङैनो जोबनानै थाङो। बे हाबाफारियाव ST एन्टनी इंलिश मिडियाम फरायसालिनि गोरायुं F.R. डेभिड गसाइगाव कलेजिएटनि गाहाय फोरोंगुरु अशोक मोसाहारि बिथांमोनहा बाहागो लादों। मख'जाथाव दि मौलाना आब्दुल कालाम आजादनि बे 132थि जोनोम सान फालिथायनि सायाव गसाइगाव B.Ed फरायसालिमानि गोरायुं डॉ. अजित बर'जों लोगोसे बे हाबाफारियाव बाहागो लाफैनाय आलासि बिथांमोना गुवारै बिबुंथि लाखिनाय जायो। बाहागो लाफैनाय आलासि बिथांमोननि बिबुंथिखौ खोनासंदिनि।
Today, the 11th September 2019, as per the direction of National Council for Teacher Education, New Delhi, the Gosaigaon B.Ed College has organized a very important program, that is celebration of National Education Day to commemorate the 132nd birthday anniversary of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. I think the celebration of 132nd birthday anniversary of Abul Kalam is not only the compliance of the instruction of National Council for Teacher Education, but it's an honor, it's a respect that we can give to the great son of India, that is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. So by observing this very important day, that is National Education Day, we can learn a lot.
Two fundamental points on which he makes no compromises. One is unity of India, and the second is education of the people of India. On these 2 points, he never made compromises. That India is of one nation. Unity of India. The second, education of the people of India. He made no compromises. And thus, he brought about 5 maxims of education. So, here I go about the objectives of Azad's education policy, which is based on the 5 maxims.
So what is our soul without that battery, which I call it, or which I just liken it to education? A person without proper education is just like a torch without a battery. It would not give light. So when a person has equipped with right education, proper education, he would be a torch filled with battery, and he would give light. He would give light to himself, and also he can give light to others. So a person should have education, and it is because of this very reason Maulana Azad has stressed the value of education and made it compulsory up to the age of 14.
दिनैनि रादाबखौ एसेयावनो फोजोबनाय जाबाय। गोजोन्थों।